নকআউট 2 ম্যাচে লিগে সবুজ বীরকে হারাতে পারে। প্রথম ম্যাচে ড্রপটসের জোড়ায় ছিনিয়ে নিয়েছিল সাবধানী দল। কোয়ার্টার ফাইনালে নামার কার্ল ম্যাথিউ গ্লেন সম্পূর্ণ ফিট হয়ে ম্যাগেই তাদের নিয়ে চূড়ান্ত সিদ্ধান্ত নেবেন বলে জানালেন তিনি। ম্যাচ এক্সট্রা টাইম বা ট্রাই ব্রেকারে গড়ালে তার প্ল্যানও তৈরি, তবে 90 মিনিটেই জয় তুলে নেওয়াই একমাত্র লক্ষ্য বলে শুক্রবার সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে জানিয়ে দিলেন এটিকে মোহনবাগান কোচ হুয়ান ফেরান্দো।
We continue in the same time like the season. It's necessary to change nothing because I think it's good not change a lot of things. Of course, we need to prepare some details are very important because this season was control a lot of things, but for us the most important is more or less the same. It's necessary win because we want to be in the next round, so we are not thinking about the points of extra time or in case exists extra time. Of course, we have one plan, we have one details in our mind, but in front of the players, for us the most important is win the match in 90 minutes. We are not thinking more than 90 minutes. It's possible, yes, of course, but our target is in front of us exists 90 minutes and try to get the best things in 90 minutes. Of course, about the injuries now, more or less everything is good. Of course, we have the training. We'll see until the last moment because, of course, there are some players with some problems. So it's necessary to wait about this decision. You play at home. So obviously, it's better to play at home than away, of course, because it exists supporters here. But it's 90 minutes only, you know, it's one match in 90 minutes, so it's necessary to control the details because when you play home and away, of course, you have two chances. In this case, it's only one chance, and it's necessary to put focus in this match. 90 minutes, of course, I hope in difficult moments, sure the supporters can have for the players, of course. You know, the performance of the opponent this season was good performance. They have important players. The squad of the players is good. It's a high level. Of course, it's in one match, but I think it's necessary to put focus in our team, like all the matches for us, because we know the opponent. Repeat, they have good players. They have talent players. They have good quality players, but it's not in our hands. So in our hands is to prepare our team, our players. That's all. Obviously, the season of Odisha was good. We have a lot of respect for them, but it's necessary to think in ourselves. The most important things in this life is the family. So we respect about this. For me, of course, this match is secondary in this case. He has now his time to think in his family. So I'm not worried about this. About the rest of the players, repeat all the time the same. Until tomorrow morning, we have time to see who is the best performance, who is in the best situation to support the team, who can tell the team. This is the most important. The rest things, it's impossible to tell because we have one training now. Tomorrow morning we have activation. Until the last moment we have time to decide the best lineup and the best players. This team we create chances. This is the most important. The players, of course, they try to do the best. Sometimes we have success in the last part of the attack, but I will continue to be confident. In front of us exists now the knockouts. Exists, I hope, the semi-final and final. And the Super Cup, so then our target is continue working in be confident in our actions, be confident in our plan, and I hope step by step we are more close to the goals.